welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna unbox another Lookfantastic box, and this is the August Lookfantastic box. And first of all, I just gotta say, because yeah, I'm not really feeling these new designs that are basically just plain colors. I used to love it when they did like actual designs and prints and everything like that. I'm just not feeling the like bland colors. They feel a little stale. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you agree with me. And the word of the month is Kalon. Beauty that is more than skin deep. Obviously have the August L, which I love to smell. And let's get into it. Oh, yes. So first of all, we have one of my favorite products ever, which is the Molten Brown Pink Pepper Pod Body Wash. I have this full size, so I'm definitely gonna make great use of this. It just smells freaking amazing. Like, it's not a scent for everyone. I have friends that hate it, but I just absolutely love it. So refreshing and so gorgeous, and it fills up the bathroom as well. I really love this. I love Molten Brown body washes, every single one of them, but this is my favorite scent along with Ginger Lily. I really like those two. Then we have an incredible glazing over intense color lip glaze, and the shade is Double Shade, so it's a lip gloss that is very intense in pigmentation. I have tons of these from the Incredible brand, and they're actually from the Nails Inc. range, and I really love their products. They're lip products. I think they're doing amazing things for lips and for like, they have highlighters and everything, and really good. Highly recommend. Very affordable as well. From Balance Me, we have a hefty size of their Pure Skin Face Wash. It's 40 ml, so it's really good. And it's sulfate free as well. Yay! And yeah, definitely something I'll give a go. Great for traveling as well. If you're traveling for like a whole week, this would be really great. And let me see how it smells. It smells great, very fresh, and it's sort of like a gel cream, so it's probably not gonna lather too much, which is great for me. And also it's 99% natural in ingredients, so that's really good as well. And yeah, I'm excited to try this actually. Sulfate-free cleanser designed to purify, refresh, and gently balance, not strip away the skin's natural protective barriers. Enhances radiance and tone. Very good. Really excited to try this. I haven't really tried much from the brand. It sounds like a really good start. I had one of their serums, but I never really got into it. And then we have the Mio Skincare Fit for Life Boob Tube Plus Multi-Action Bust Cream, which I actually have the full size of, and it's really good. I mean, my tits are really small. There's not much to form, really, because they're just there. There's not much that can be unformed, but it is also great for like, if you have lines on your décolletage, or like anything else, if you have like bigger boobs that are starting to get less firm. Great. And also love the scent. I love the scent of the Mio products in general. They're really good, and the texture is just really also nourishing and heavy and everything like that. And finally, we have the Erno Laszlo Formarin Lift Essence Lotion, and it's just a little travel size again. I've never tried anything from the brand, so I don't really know. It's a watery gel-like essence that tones, hydrates, and energizes, leaving the skin appearing more youthful and fresh. This is definitely something that would attract me as a skincare lover. And yeah, I'm excited to give this a try, and again, good for traveling. Oh, and finally, there's one more thing. It's the BBB London. I don't know if that's the name of the brand. Brow Build Gel, and this is like a tiny one, and I don't know if it has a shade. Let me see. Oh, Indian Chocolate is the shade, and it's kind of like a brownie chocolate. I'd say that for me, I wish this was a little bit ashier, but it will probably work on top of like a darker pencil, really. And it looks quite like, it's not really a setting gel, it's really a building brow gel, so it's gonna be more filling. And the texture also looks like it is gonna give a little bit texture, a little bit of fluff, and yeah, always up for something with my brows. And that is it! We are done. I feel like this went really fast, and the sneak peek for next month's box, which is the birthday edition, is the Eve Lom Cleanser, which I don't really like because it's basically mineral oil based, but I know a lot of people do love, so As it is the birthday box, I'm hoping that it will be a little more fun in design as well. We'll see. Oh, as it says here, the gloss, the Incredible Lip Gloss, can be 5 different shades. So this is the shade Double Shot Day, but you have 4 other shades that you can get, probably. Oh, and BBB London is Blink Brow Bar London. The Molten Brown Body Wash can be Pink Pepper Pot or Yang Yang, which I've never smelled, but if it's any indication of this, it must smell amazing. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget you can subscribe to this box as a one-off or subscribe as a monthly service. The link is going to be down below in the description box. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the little bell button so you know every single time I'm uploading. And I will be back still this week. Bye!